The Hoopoe Upupa epops is a captivating bird that boasts a unique blend of beauty, elegance, and mystique. This species has captured the imagination of cultures and societies throughout history, making appearances in literature, folklore, and art. With its distinctive crown of feathers and remarkable behaviors, the hoopoe stands out as an avian wonder worthy of admiration and conservation. In this article, we delve into the intriguing world of the hoopoe, exploring its physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, and cultural significance. Physical characteristics. The hoopoe is a medium-sized bird with a length of approximately 25 centimeters, 10 inches, and a wingspan ranging from 44 to 48 centimeters, 17 to 19 inches. One of its most distinguishing features is its striking crest of feathers,